Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this adorable rose coaster, a beautiful piece that adds a handmade touch to any table or gift set. It's perfect for tea time, Mother's Day, or simply to brighten your space. So grab your yarn and hook, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more lovely crochet tutorials. Let's get started. For round 1, start with a magic ring and crochet 12 double crochets into the ring. Then, slip stitch to close the round. Tip: make sure your stitches are evenly spaced in the ring for a neat center. Great job getting started. Now for round 2, chain 2, then repeat this pattern 12 times. 1 double crochet increase followed by a chain, slip stitch to join. Remember, a double crochet increase means making 2 double crochets in the same stitch. You're doing awesome. Let's move to round 3. Chain 2, then repeat 12 times. 1 double crochet, 1 increase, then a chain. Join with a slip stitch. Keep your tension consistent for a smooth and even base. You're crocheting beautifully. Round 4 is similar. Chain 2, then repeat 12 times. 2 double crochets, 1 increase, and a chain. Slip stitch to join. Tip: you'll start to see your coaster getting bigger and rounder. Keep going, you're doing great. On to round 5. Chain 2, then do 3 double crochets, 1 increase, and a chain. Repeat that 12 times. Join with a slip stitch. This round really fills out the shape. Your coaster is blooming nicely like a flower. let's add a decorative edge. Repeat this pattern 24 times. Single crochet, chain 4, skip 2 stitches. Then slip stitch to finish the round. These loops will create the base for the green vines. Lovely work so far. For the final round, repeat 24 times. Single crochet, chain 4, skip 1 stitch, slip stitch, chain 3, then single crochet. Slip stitch to close. Tip: adjust the chain tension if needed to keep the loops even. You're almost done with the base. Time to make the flowers. Using orange yarn, chain 12. Skip 3 chains, then do 9 double crochet increases in the front loop only. Chain 3, then slip stitch to finish. After that, roll the piece into a rose shape and secure the bottom with a stitch. So cute, right? there you have it. Your beautiful rose coaster is ready to use or gift. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly crochet projects. I'd love to see your creations, so tag me if you share online. Happy crocheting, and see you next time.